Hey there, Trisha Barber here today to reveal the March 2020 Club La La Land Crafts Kit. So let's get started. The kit arrives in this gold envelope, and this month's kit is super sweet. There are 2 stamp sets and a die sets that come in the kit. So I'm going to start by pulling. This is how I store my dies. I'm going to get them ready for me to show you. You get this informational bulletin and with your club kit. It'll give you details about the contents of the kit. You get 2 stamp sets, like I said, Marcy with ice cream and What's the Scoop. Here is Marcy with her ice cream. She's super cute. It is red rubber on cling mount, and it's all ready for you to come, all ready to be stamped out. She comes already on the cling mount. I actually store my stamps on this promotional card that comes with the kit. It's laminated, so you can actually put your stamps on this and store your stamps for the kit together and I keep it with my dies. So Marcy has 2 sentiments. Their ice cream is always a good idea, and you deserve a treat. If you want, you can cut those out with your scissors and trim around the sentiments and then trim around Marcy so that you have them as separate images. The next stamp set that comes in this March 2020 kit is What's the Scoop? It has 3 sentiments: Pretty Please with sprinkles on top, You Make Life Sweet, and What's the Scoop? Each of the unicorns, one of them is holding like an ice cream sundae, the other one's holding an ice cream cone, and then you just have like a little plain unicorn. The dies that come with this month's stamp set are also really fun to work with. You get this ice cream set where you can build your own sundae. So you get the bowl, a banana, an ice cream scoop, a cookie, a spoon, a little cherry to go on top, and you even get some sprinkles. This little die right here is to make the sprinkles. Or you can create an ice cream cone. And then you can do multiple scoops. The other die that comes with this card kit is the You Are So Sweet, or You Are Sweet. So this will cut out a die cut image, and it will also trim out the inside of sweet, so you actually have those letters that you can work with as well. So let me show you a couple of projects that I made with this month's club kit. This first one is Marcy holding her ice cream, and then I used the You Are Sweet as well as the ice cream die cut to create a matching ice cream cone for her. This is actually a 5.5 square card that I have created a side fold card and colored her with my Copics. You'll be able to go to my blog post and see the Copic colors that I've used. And I've actually colored my die cuts as well using my Copic markers. You'll notice, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there is there's some great details in these die cuts. Like they have these little emphasis or I'd say detail lines that get cut so that they can show texture and they're not like a flat design. So that's really kind of cool. Also, you'll notice the sweet, as I had mentioned, the sweet cuts out the interior, and you can actually use those interior die cuts to also spell out the word sweet. My next card that I made with this particular kit is with the What's the Scoop stamp set, and then I created a sundae with the ice cream die cuts. I colored my images again with Copic markers, and on my blog post you'll be able to see the Copic colors that I used for my images. I did die cut my sentiment. This is what you call a slimline card. I love making these cards because I can just fit so much more on them. But I stamped out a sentiment from the stamp set and then just kind of offset it. If you do order the club kit, you do get PDF projects from each of the design team with instructions on making one of their projects, and my PDF is actually on this project here. Now, a little bit more about the kit. If you want to find out more about the Club La La Land Crafts Kit, I'll put a link below that you can go directly to the site and look to see more information about the club kit. To order this particular stamp and die kit, You would need to place your order by March the 25th to get the March kit. The full value of this kit, if you were to purchase it separately, would be about $69.99. That would be the full value of buying the 2 stamp sets and the 2 die sets. If you were just to buy the 2 stamp sets, it would be $24, and if you were to buy the dies only, it'd be $45.99. Now, through the club, you get a discount. You can order the entire kit for $39.99, so essentially saving $30 off the full value of this kit if it were released separately. If you want to order just the stamps, you can order just the stamps, and that would be $19.99. If you want to order just these dies, you can order just the die set, and that would be $29.99. So remember, the club price is $39.99, and you actually save $30 if you order the kit in full. You have until March the 25th, like I said, to subscribe to the March kit. Inspiration will be posted along the design team's websites, and you could go to the club fan group on Facebook to see a lot more inspiration using this images and die set. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below, but I hope that you enjoy, and if you get a chance to order this kit, please post, and I look forward to seeing your creations in the Facebook group. So thank you very much, and have a great day.